If you are not sure about the difference between mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs, then this video is for you. Let me break it down. First is mutual fund. Mutual funds have been around the longest and it was introduced in 1924. They let you invest in many stocks at once, but you will pay higher management fees because a professional manages them. This is an actively managed fund. Mutual funds are typically traded once a day after the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. This means that investors can enter orders to buy or sell shares at any time during the day, but the trade will not be executed until the end of the trading session. The price the investor receives is based on the net asset value of the mutual fund, which is calculated after the market closes and usually posted at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Second is index fund. Index funds are a type of mutual fund with much lower fees. All index funds are mutual funds, but not all mutual funds are index funds. They just follow a market index like S&P 500 or Nasdaq 100. So there is no need for expensive management because this is a passively managed fund. One of the most significant difference between an index fund and exchange traded fund is how they trade. Shares of ETFs trade like stocks. They are bought and sold whenever markets are open. While you can order index fund shares whenever you wish, share purchases happen only once a day after the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Index funds have been around since 1970s, but the first retail index fund was launched in 1976 by John Bogle at Vanguard. Third is exchange traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are like index funds but with one big difference. You can trade them anytime during market hours, but be careful. This can make you buy and sell more often, which is not always good. Because ETFs are meant for long-term investment, so you can see the value of compounding and dividend reinvestments in your overall portfolio. The first exchange traded fund was launched in Canada in 1990 and the first US ETF was launched in January 1993 on the American Stock Exchange. So to conclude, if you want something simple and cheap, go with index funds. If you need more flexibility, consider ETFs. Avoid mutual funds if you can, since the higher expense fee will eat into your returns. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Grow Wealth Insights. See you in the next video. This video is made only for informational purposes, so please do not consider this as an investment advice.